Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Alakaban. I think I'm saying that right. This is a tea subscription. I don't know which box this is. The box is really cool. It comes from Canada, so I think these are Canadian prices that I'm going to quote you. I'm over giving you a shutter quotes or something. Anyway, so I will convert them to US down below so that you can see it in the US, but this is a Canadian subscription. All right. So, there are 3 different subscription options. There's the Taste Tea, which sends 70 grams of tea, 2 spices, and extra surprises for $19.99. Then there's the Thirst Tea. That's 150 grams, 3 spices, and surprises for $29.99. Then there's the Novelty, which is like their granddaddy subscription. That's 150 grams as well. But it's a specialty, one type of specialty tea, 3 spices and surprises for $39.99. So I think that's like a very like select, like if you're really into tea and you like really fancy stuff. This was all wrapped up in parcel paper, and then this was the way it came inside. It's really cute. So this is our insert, how to make traditional Ceylon tea. I've never made Ceylon, how to make your own tea blend. That's cool. And then this is the May box. So what's inside? We're not going to peek. There it is. It's all on there. Oh my gosh. Look at how the teas come. Look at this cat. This cat is like in, oh, she has to be in all my videos now, first of all. Diva cat. And now she's laying back there like attacking the tissue. Like, who are you? What are you doing, girl? Anyway, look at these adorable tea pouches. So this is Ceylon tea and whole cloves. Now, I'm going to open this. I'm kind of nervous. Oh my God. Oh, it smells beautiful. Oh, I just love, I don't know that I will ever get rid of these. I will keep these forever. Look at the cat. Get out of here, nerd. All right, so this is Jaggery. Never even heard of that. I'm loving this. Ooh, this smells like like licorice and like maple syrup. So I don't know what that is, but there it is in its own pouch. And then I don't know how much tea this is, so I can't tell you which subscription this is yet. Oh no, are these spices or is this the tea? Because I know they come with 2 or 3 spices. These could be the spices. Yeah, because okay, because over there's the tea. So this is just almonds. I forget. Open it. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I love these little, it's just crushed almonds in there. That's really cool. So this is all supposed to go together. If my cat tries to get in this box, I'm firing her. She's fired from videos forever. All right. No, good. Keep going. So here's a pouch, and I don't know what's in it, but we're going to find out together. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Look at this cat. What are you doing? What on earth? So these are little tea steepers. Oh, how cool is this? So then you can, I'm guessing, take it off and clean it and wash it, and you can reuse this one in the meantime. And then this is to stir your tea. I think that's what this is. Aren't they beautiful though? And they're orange. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this. What are you guys thinking? I mean, if you drink tea, this is for you. Like, I think this is like excellent so far. Okay, so this comes in an Alakaban tea thing. Oh, so these are little pre-filled pouches of tea. I don't know. Oh, tea bag ingredients: cloves, jaggery, and almonds. So those are that's tea, cloves, jaggery, and almonds tea. So are the spices? I'm kind of a little confused. I'm going to have to look into, like, the spices are to use in your tea, or are they to use spices to cook with? I don't know. So, tea estate. This is Badulo black tea. So there's a big bag of black tea, and then this here is also Badulo black tea. So there's 2, maybe this is how they weigh it out. Maybe one of these is, I don't know. I'm going to have to figure this all out. So this is our tea. These are our spices. Let's look at our insert to kind of get a better idea of what's going on here. Oh my gosh, that's not to this. Okay. Among the hills and hills of gorgeous tea growing in Sri Lanka, there are also estates dedicated to growing only organic tea. This type of tea is nurtured and processed without the use of pesticides or any artificial fertilizers. As the healthiest of beverages, using organic tea presents you in return with a number of health benefits. It not only supports the small farms growing them, but protects the environment and its tea estate workers from chemical exposure. All this in a single cup of tea, believe it. Okay, so the spices are Ceylon whole cloves, hand-picked, almonds, jaggery, those are spices. And then that Flavor Bomb surprise box is personally ground spices that you can add to your prepared tea. The idea of the Flavor Bomb is to give you a taste of traditional tea from all over the world. This month's Flavor Bomb consists of a mixture of earthly organic tea with cloves, almonds, and jaggery. Just add 1 flavor pouch to 1 cup of boiled water. We have added empty tea bags so you can make your own tea blends. Ah, that's really interesting. And then the spoon, a biodegradable wooden teaspoon to measure your tea, and a strainer, a small disposable strainer to strain your tea from saucepan to teacup. It comes with an interchangeable cloth that can be run in the dishwasher. So there is that. Oh my gosh, I love this box. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I'm in love. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that. I'll also link to Alakaban so you can check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.